the Tiguan AllSpace gets launch control. So I'm going to show you how to activate it and let you know how it feels like. So first you go into setting, you turn your ESC into ESC Sport, put your drive selector into S1, put your left leg on the brake, right leg on the accelerator, rev all the way up to 3000 RPM, and there. Okay, that was quick. Now the Tiguan pulls from 0 to 100 in 8.8 seconds. It can pull a car weighing 2.4 tons in 8.8 seconds. That's impressive. Now if you notice the drive, you have the power coming in above 2000 RPM, moving all the way up to 6000 RPM, and it keeps you planted. Now the suspension is stiff, it keeps you planted even on corners, and the car feels so nimble. Now, another party trick to this is that the Tiguan AllSpace gets auto parking, and that's what I'm going to show you next. So now we are going to demonstrate to you how the Tiguan AllSpace auto park works. So what you need to do is put it in the auto park button, switch the indicator on which side you want the car to be parked on, and then drive forward, let the car detect a space for itself. So it has detected, it is saying drive forward, it has detected a space. We need to put it in reverse, tap on the accelerator a bit, and look at how the steering turns itself. Now it says move forward. Remember to see your surroundings as well when you do this. Okay, now we go back into reverse. And voila, there. The Tiguan AllSpace has been successfully parked.